This is free size, XL size only, ready to wear with nice embroidery, pearl work, floral work, stones, embellishment, very pretty. Only one size. You can see this has an opening. Here, this has an opening. Again, pearl work, lace. It's a very beautiful color. The Laxuria. Back also has work, so it's front and back work all over. Another color by Luxuria is, as you can see, all over pearl work. Nice floral lace, embroidery, bottoms, XL size, free size. You can see the width also is quite enough. It's free size. Lace, front open, and then again another lace. It's a nice pink shade. Back has full work.